Hello! In this tutorial, we will talk about manual fixing in Magix. In Magix, you can perform fixing in 3 different ways: using automatic fixing tool, semi-automatic tool, or manual fixing tools. Manual fixing tools are only needed in exceptional cases when automatic or semi-automatic fixing tools can't meet your expectation. You can find most of manual fixing tools in the Fix ribbon or in the manual options on the fixing pages. Let's start by looking at the Part Fixing Info page to identify the errors in this part. The first type of error is inverted normals. You can use this function when there is a region with inverted normals that is not handled correctly by the automatic or semi-automatic fixing tools. Simply mark the triangles you want to invert, and then proceed to invert them. If no triangles are marked, this function will invert all the triangles in the part, like this. For now, let's use the semi-automatic tool to quickly fix all the inverted normals. If you have no idea what to fix in the next step, you can check the content here under Advice, which provides the guidance on what to do next. As indicated, it is advised to stitch near bad edge. To fix it manually, navigate to Near Bad Edges page by clicking this icon. From there, you can perform stitching to connect triangle edges that are very close to each other but not yet connected. Magix automatically estimates the stitching tolerance for a part, which you can adjust, and you can even set up the number of stitching iterations. For now, let's use these values to perform the stitching. Here we go. Next, let's fix holes manually. Click the Hole tab to enter the hole fixing page. Now I will show you 3 methods for fixing holes. Firstly, for a planar hole, select the planar method. Then, click the Fill Hole mode and select the contour of the hole. That's it! If the hole has 2 separate contours, you need to enable the Treat as One Hole option. Click the Fill Hole mode, and then select the 2 contours of the hole, like this. For this complex hole, we can first use the Create Triangle function to create a single triangle. For the curved region, we can use the Rule method to fix it. You need to define a direction for the hole fixing scan, then click the Fill Hole mode and select the contour of the hole. Finally, for irregular holes, use the Freedom method. Then simply click the Fill Hole mode and select the contour of the hole. For the remaining items in the hole list, it is recommended to fix them in the Triangle tab. For this kind geometry error, click Unify to remove unnecessary triangles and correct the geometry. What's the next step? Let's check the advice. Remove the detected noise shells. Navigate to Shell page where you can see 2 shells listed. The first one is typically the main part, while the second shell contains only 4 triangles with 0 surface area and volume. Since it's noise shell, and we can select it and press the Delete key to remove it. Next step is to fix intersecting triangles. To do this, navigate back to the Triangle page. You can first try to filter sharp triangles. Click Collapse. You may notice that extra noise shells appear as a result of previous operations. Let's use semi-auto fixing for these noise shells. Finally, we've successfully fixed all the errors in this part. This video covers most of the manual fixing tools and demonstrates the general process of manual fixing. I hope it is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.